About 2.5 months ago, I posted a review of what I called my favorite gadget of the year, the Ecovacs DEEBOT X8Pro Omni. But lately, my favorite gadget at the moment is not exactly a camera, although it does have one built in. And of course, I'll explain more about that later. But it is a hybrid robot vacuum and mop that not only cleans your floors, but it also cleans itself. Now that it's been a full 2 months of using it regularly, I wanted to share how it's been holding up. Because let's be real, my opinion on tech often changes after long-term use. By the way, just like the original review, this video is sponsored by Ecovacs. But I've been using the DEEBOT almost daily since that first review, even before Ecovacs asked me to do this follow-up, so I already knew what I wanted to say. First off, yes, I really do use this thing almost every day. Between kids, snacks, and just life in general, my floors do not stay clean for long. And instead of manually sweeping or mopping, I can now just hit a button on my phone and let my robot take care of it. It's such a no-brainer now, like I've even gotten into the habit of setting it to run while I'm out with the kids or doing errands. That way the floors are clear and it's not in anyone's way. I actually had it clean the house while I was headed to the airport for an international trip, because few things are better than coming home to a sparkling clean floor. And the key thing here is how hands-off the whole process is. It doesn't just clean the floors, it takes care of itself too. So there's no more emptying the dustbin after every run, no more scrubbing dirty mop pads. I mean, that alone has saved me so much time and effort. And honestly, I really hate cleaning my vacuums and mops about as much as I hate the actual process of mopping and vacuuming. But one feature I didn't expect to love so much is how customizable the cleaning is.
So Leo and I are out on a morning walk. He just fell asleep for his first nap of the day. Usually it lasts between 30 and 40 minutes. So I figured that would be a really great time to run the DEEBOT because I didn't have time to clean up after breakfast. So the nice thing I like about the DEEBOT, among many things, is the variety of cleaning modes. So because we only have roughly 30 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and run a quick clean. And yeah, I think that's gonna last the allotted time that we have. But if I wanted to make this even quicker, I could actually just run the mop only or the vacuum only, or I can do vacuum and mop, which is what I'm gonna do right now. If we had a little bit more time, what I'd love to do is run a deep clean and maybe even run it, do 2 cleaning passes. That would give us the cleanest option. But for now, we're just gonna go ahead and run that quick clean.
But this next feature is easily my favorite part of the DEEBOT. After a cleaning session, it automatically empties its dustbin, refills the mop reservoir with clean water and cleaning solution, washes the mop pad, and then dries it so there's no wet mop mildew smells.
Start washing the mopping pad with hot water. You might hear a bit of noise.
And the best part is that I almost never have to touch the DEEBOT at all. I've always hated how after you spend time cleaning your entire house, you then have to clean the cleaning tools. But with the DEEBOT, that's basically been eliminated. It genuinely feels like a luxury, like one of those "why didn't we always have this" kinds of features. There are also a couple of features that I didn't pay much attention to at first, but I've come to really appreciate. The first is the built-in camera. I'll be honest, I kind of ignored it when I first got the DEEBOT, but once I realized I could control the vacuum remotely and use the camera to see what was happening in my house in real time, that really changed things. So now when I run the vacuum while I'm out, I can pull up the app and see a live feed of what the vacuum sees, and even control it manually.
So we're out for Leo's afternoon nap right now, and I just realized he's missing his shoes. I'm pretty sure I left them at home, and I really want to take him to the playground after this. So Martin messaged me and said that he can stop by home real quick and pick them up. I just can't remember exactly where I left the shoes. If they're in the car, if they're upstairs in the bedroom, if they're on the shoe rack. So I'm gonna use the DEEBOT. It has that little camera. So I'm gonna quickly double check if the shoes are indeed in the shoe rack. Looks like the shoes are indeed in the shoe rack.
The second feature is child lock. Out of the box, you can control the DEEBOT through the app or by pushing the button on top of the unit. My 9-month-old son very quickly discovered that button, and he thought it was a toy. So I had to enable child lock pretty fast, and now I get alerts every time the button has been pushed, which is still pretty often, I'll be honest.
Child lock is on. Please unlock it first.
Leo, stop doing that.
Please unlock it first.
So if you've got babies or curious pets, you definitely want to turn that feature on. But I do want to be honest about one thing that's been a little bit less convenient, and that is the long-term maintenance. Now, day-to-day, the DEEBOT really is hands-off, but every so often you'll have to do a couple of things manually, like empty the dirty water tank, refill the clean water, and eventually empty the dustbin from the base station. The good news is the app tells you exactly when you have to do this, so it removes all the guesswork. And in the 2 months that I've had it, and I've run it almost daily, I've only had to refill the water twice, and I actually have not had to touch the dustbin yet, so that'll be interesting when that day comes. But some of the parts do need to be replaced over time, like the mop pad and the hair detangling brush. These are very specific to the DEEBOT, so you want to order a few extras ahead of time. It's not frequent, but it is something to be aware of, especially for budgeting for ongoing costs. So final thoughts. Is the DEEBOT still my favorite gadget? Absolutely. The DEEBOT has drastically cut down the amount of time and energy that I spend cleaning. It's reliable, low maintenance, and it actually fits into the chaos of real life with kids. And the fact that it's smart enough to clean itself is a part that still blows my mind a little. So yes, 2 months later, I still stand by what I said in my first review. This is hands down the best smart home gadget that I've tried. So if you're looking for something to take floor cleaning off of your plate entirely, I wouldn't hesitate to recommend it. If only I could also clean my toilets and wash my dishes too. This would be the perfect gadget ever. But you guys let me know what you think in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.